Well, hello, my pretties. So, how does one afford the cost of life, of living without having a job? The answer is to become happily jobless or happily job optional for those of you that would hang on to your job if you had that option, but you enjoy it and you're one of those people. That's cool. I just took the option of being happily jobless. So, then that begs the question, how do you afford to be happily jobless or happily job optional? The answer to that is you have to build residual and passive income. So it's something that 98% of the population has no idea about, so they're not even working on it. Therefore, their time is shackled and coupled to their income, which means they can never get away from it and they have no time freedom. So at the end of the day, it's about decoupling how you spend your time from your income so that you can put all of your energy into creating experiences rather than putting energy into paying bills and affording whatever. I love to travel, so not only am I happily jobless and I can afford life and all that stuff without a job, but it affords my traveling, and I buy rental properties and I pay another firm to manage them for me, and I can donate to Gerson where they help people heal from cancers of all stages without any pharmacological drugs, just nature. I can afford to do all those things because I'm happily jobless, funded by a back end of residual and passive income. So that's what it all boils down to. And sorry about that. Where was I going with that? Oh yeah, here's where I was going with that. Like I've got a cruise coming up. It's going to be thousands and thousands of dollars between the cabin and the airfare, and the cabin itself is $2,600. And I don't have to show up and work to pay for it or pay it down or pay for the next one. It's all taken care of. The bills, whatever it is. It's all about residual and passive income and breaking up with your obedience training that you've been conditioned for your whole life to constantly sell your time for a paycheck. That's on purpose because they need a nation full of obedient workers so that they can have more while you have less. But to break up with that kind of obedience and lifelong conditioning, you got to learn about passive and residual income. So if you're interested in that, if that turns you on, I help people live healthy, chemical-free, organic lives and make much better quality of money so that they can have their time freedom to enjoy themselves. If that turns you on, you know how to reach me. Bye for now. Mwah.